They're so good. You did so good. Hey guys, today I'm going to get my nails done by my sister, Groovy Nails. If you don't already follow her on TikTok and Instagram, do it. So I decided, why don't record it? So we're gonna vlog today. We're gonna go to our storefront. Yes, you'll see what I mean in a minute. Just wait, because I have a special surprise for you in this video. I just decided, let's record this. You guys can come along with me while I get my nails done by her. On my other hand, yesterday on TikTok Live, I actually did Princess Peach. I'm gonna put them right here. They came out so cute. I'm obsessed with how they came out. Okay, so it just took me 10 years to set this like mount thing up in my car. I used to have one of these, but every time I would try to use it, it would just go flying off my dashboard and crash into an oblivion. So if you guys don't know already, I have a nail salon, and then we have a warehouse space for our online store, and then we have a separate space for like content creation. I guess you could call it like our studio, me and my sister. We decided recently, me and my boyfriend, that we were going to open up a storefront. So we are going to be opening the Nails by Deb store located in Florida. I'm so excited to like finally have a storefront where you guys can come in and purchase product. I think I'm gonna only keep it open for like 3 days out of the week, so the other days I can use it for like, you know, still being able to go there, do nails, content creation, all that good stuff. But I'm super excited for that. We don't have an official open date yet, but we're working on it, and it's gonna be amazing. And it's already looking so good in there. So when I get there, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek, and you guys are the first one to see this, so it feels special. Oh, here we are. So the front half of our little spot is gonna be a store. We still have a ton of shelving to get, you guys. We are nowhere near ready. Like, we have nothing stocked in here yet. Like, literally have so much more to do. But it's a cute little start. And I'm so excited for this to be like a place where you guys can come shopping. And then back here, where's my sister? Ah! There's the bitch! Are you ready to slay all day? Back here is our little studio for TikTok and YouTube and whatever. Got a little green screen over there for, you know, doing shits. I think that table back there I'm gonna make for just like product photos. Don't pay attention to back here, you guys. It's a mess. Total mess still. We still have a lot to do in here, but we're getting there. These are gonna be for classes. Obviously, I'm gonna buy more desks, but right now I just wanted to kind of see if these desks were good, and they are. This is my sister's little area over here. Hi, Zanny. Hi. She put together this rack. It actually came cracked. So we bitched, and we got a new one. So we have a whole nother one of these racks. And yeah, got our little polish situation over here. Our little sanitization situation. And yeah, let's do some nails. Look at our cute little setup. You got your food?
How come people say cutting cuticles is illegal?
I don't know, because in a lot of states it is illegal to cut cuticles, but in Florida you're allowed to. You just gotta be licensed and know what the hell you're doing. It's my crooked nail.
Is that right? I feel like it's wrong.
No, it's good. Yeah, it's right. It's just my finger is weird. I stopped doing my nails because of it. It's so ugly.
No, it's good. Not weird. It's just...
No, it's good. You got it.
Okay.
Okay. Yay! Who is she? Who is she?
These are long.
I wish I could wear these long. Shakalaka. Ah! He's throwing little presents at me.
Come this way.
over here?
No. That would not be good.
Ah! I have a
kinda
whole
crooked.
collection in my lap.
They're kind of crooked. I have to file them.
It's fine. Don't worry about it. Doosh. Okay. Look at you go.
I listen.
Oh, look at her shape, bitch. Look at it. Look at it.
It's okay. What do you use for?
Burp it. What's that?
Something Tim taught me. 1, 2, 3. Place it. Wipe your brush. No, and then.
But whatever you're most comfortable with, and then you can add to the tip.
I find that my tips end up being very thin for some reason.
Oh, okay. Whatever works for you is best.
Practicing.
This bitch just laid. This is her first acrylic set on. Is this? No.
Yeah, on somebody else.
This is her first acrylic set on someone else. And look at these.
Mm.
Who do you think you are? She was so scared, and she's killing it. She should have seen my old acrylic first set. It looked nothing like this.
I was scared, but
Born for it. She was born for it. My gosh.
Nude and then clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Thanks for watching Disney Channel. Dun, dun, dun.
Look at these. Okay, now time for the nude.
Good, and if it's looking decent, you know.
Forgot to tell her about the stars, so she's putting little stars and hearts in it. That's my fault.
It's easy. Looks like you almost took out our lamp with
You
that.
guys, look at how good her application is already. Like, look at this. This is her first time. I don't know who she thinks she is. I honestly don't.
He's making me nervous.
What? He's fine. Okay.
Because one time I went into my attic and I sat on that stuff.
My boyfriend's fixing
touching
the
it.
ceiling tiles right now, so that's what she's talking
Touching
about.
it without gloves on.
Oh, God. What you doing?
Fixing your dirty towel.
We had some ceiling tiles we had to be replaced. We had a little bit of a leak. Look at them, nice and fresh. Thanks, babe. You're just so sweet. No,
Which one?
the skinny one. But you might be too heavy-handed for it. If you're comfortable with the other one. You don't have it here. Where's... Put your back into it.
Oh, wow.
Had to stop and get me a bowl. You know, some food.
Please ignore my ugly
What other color
nose.
do we need?
So we're doing Toad.
Perfect collection for those.
You guys, I just want to show you this. Look at what she did. Look at my nails.
Do you like?
I literally can't stand it. They're so good. You did so good.
Needs improvement, but not bad. Not bad. She's just at a funky angle.
What part are you doing right now?
Her face.
Yeah, that's where I would have started too. That's the top of her head.
Mm-hmm.
Looks so good with your French. Yeah, I think I shouldn't have done a white base. 'Cause
I need to move my hair.
what I used is the new glitter that off. Look at this. Wow.
Hey, you guys, where we're at so far. Well, look who showed up to the party. It's Mother. Did you say you like this song?
Hate it.
You what?
Hate it.
You love this song.
Hate it.
What would you rate this song on a 1 to 10?
0.
Should for the shading.
Cute!
For the shading.
Now she's adding my top coat. And she did such a good job. What are we gonna do on the other nails? The bling. We can even just do bling on all.
hard.
Simple. Look at how cute it came out. I can't stand it.
The yellow one.
I'll call Brandon.
And then this guy.
Now we're just doing some bling. We decided to do like the yellow hearts on the other hand to kind of just tie in the yellow on this hand, which is like perfect because it's literally the same yellow as the acrylic.
Is that gonna drive you crazy that it's like
Hanging off the edge.
Mm-hmm.
No, because I'm gonna show you how to trap it in and stuff and it'll look fine. All the edges of your stuff. Mm-hmm. Kind of drag it, finesse it. But you never want to go over your crystals because it makes them look dull. Doing some little rainbows. Okay. Now we're just outlining with some gold liner gel.
gold digger?
Gold digger liner gel. By the way, you guys, everything that she's using in this video, beside the acrylic, you guys can shop on the link that's in the description below of our website.
Did you just hear her?
Look at my nails, you guys. I am pretty sure this is like my favorite set I think I've ever had on. I just love how it all came together. She did so amazing for this being her first time ever doing acrylics. Like, look at that ombre. And I remember when I first started doing nails, I swear my acrylic application looked nothing like this. I'm so proud of her. Also, you guys, we are dropping a new gel collection April 28th at 8 p.m. Eastern time called the Candy Shop collection, which is a lot of the colors that we used in this set. Let us know in the comments which kind of theme we should paint next, and maybe we'll make this a series. All right, guys. Well, finally have my nails done after never having them done ever, thanks to this bitch.
3 years later.
She ate.
She thought she ate.
No, she ate, seriously. But,
Don't
guys,
compare it.
gotta do me a favor, okay? In the comments, let us know what kind of design you wanna see us do next, and maybe I'll either do it on her, or we'll do another thing where I do a hand and then she does
Look
a
at
hand.
this toe.
I know, and then after we were done with these, we realized that like, they're literally on our wall behind us. They're on our wall. I can't stand it. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video soon.
Bye.
Bye.